Nearly 20 years ago, when our French unit acquired its aircraft, our American member, Roy Grinnell, the famous painter of American Fighter Aces Association, made a painting of Piper in a two-tone blue-gray scheme. This paint scheme represents a US Navy NE-1 when he was assigned to the ZP-32 Squadron in 1942. It was a blimp squadron based in Moffett Field in the San Francisco Bay Area. I was recently in touch with the president of the Moffett Field Historical Society Museum. Last November, they received a photo album from the family of a sailor assigned to the ZP-32. Incredibly, there were 3 photos of the NE-1 in the album. One of these photos carried the annotation "The Little Blue Cloud," referring to the color scheme of the Piper. Today we are celebrating the 25th anniversary of the French wing, and we are launching a restoration project for Piper Cub, which will at last be reconvenced and repainted. Our aircraft is a piece of living history. To preserve and fly a historical plane is the best way to pay tribute to the men who served their country and defended freedom. It's also a way to educate younger generations about history when they can touch the aircraft, sit in the cockpit and have their photo taken in it. We will participate in air shows and flyings in France and Europe to honor these brave men. The restoration process will last about 6 months and will cost a lot. Please help us preserve history and make our plane become the Little Blue Cloud again. Thank you.